Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to flat tow a Jeep Wrangler manual transmission. First, ensure your Jeep is in excellent mechanical condition, ready for the road. Gather all your essential flat towing gear, including a robust tow bar, safety chains, and any required wiring harnesses. It is also important to verify that the tire pressure on both your Jeep and the towing vehicle is set to the manufacturer's recommended specifications for a smooth and secure journey. Next, carefully attach the tow bar to your Jeep Wrangler's front bumper or a compatible base plate, ensuring all pins are locked. Then, connect the safety chains in a crisscross pattern, providing a crucial backup connection. Finally, plug in the electrical wiring harness to synchronize your Jeep's brake lights and turn signals with the towing vehicle, ensuring clear communication on the road. Now for the critical drivetrain setup. First, shift your Jeep's transfer case into neutral. This completely disengages the drivetrain. Then, place the manual transmission into a forward gear, such as second or third, to ensure proper lubrication during towing. Finally, turn the ignition key to the unlocked off position. This allows the steering wheel to turn freely while preventing battery drain. Before you hit the road, perform a few final, essential checks. Double-check that all connections, including the tow bar, safety chains, and electrical harness, are tight and secure. Once everything is connected, release the parking brake on your Jeep Wrangler completely. Finally, perform a brief test tow at a very slow speed in a safe area to confirm everything is functioning correctly before embarking on your journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.